In this video, I will demonstrate a client-server system. The server will run on a Raspberry Pi and the client will run on a PC. I will control the server using VNC in headless mode, and file transfer will be completed using WinSCP. This is an example of a client-server system with the server running on a Raspberry Pi. In video 6, this particular example was demonstrated in loopback mode. But in this case we'll have the server on the Pi and a client on a PC. The Pi will be controlled via VNC in headless mode, and WinSCP will be used for file transfer. The Pi is version 4 with 4 GB of RAM, running Raspbian, connected via Wi-Fi, and it boots from an SD card to an SSD drive. Here's a picture of the Pi. This is a fairly standard PC. Again, it's running on Wi-Fi. On here you see the versions of VNC and WinSCP that I've been using, and the address of the Pi is 84. And as I say, the messages are being passed back and forwards in text, and the file transfer and all the data is being moved back and forth using TCP/IP. I will now run WinSCP and transfer the server program from the PC to the Raspberry Pi. I'm now going to run VNC and select the project. Now the server is waiting for a connection. What I'm going to do now is connect to the server on the Pi and position the windows so you can see what is going on. So this is a new run. So here we see the solutions being generated by the server and the answers coming back. So on the left hand side this is the PC, on the right hand side this is the Pi, which is communicating via Wi-Fi. In fact, both machines are on Wi-Fi. Now we notice that the stop command has come through and the process has stopped and the answer is correct. So this demonstrates how to run a client-server program, the client on the PC and the server on the Pi, how to move files using WinSCP, and how to control the Pi using VNC in headless mode. I'm now going to close all projects and open up this one here. This was demonstrated in video 2. I now run this project. Stop it. Close it down. Go to the design window. And change the size of the design window. Run it again. Shorten the iteration length and the incremental value. What this is showing is that the code that was developed originally on a PC can be made to run on the Raspberry Pi without modification, and that the design layout can be altered without having any difficulties with regard to scaling. I'm going to stop this now. I hope you found this demonstration interesting. Bye bye.